Here's my Shast Triple Chime Mantel Clock, and the one update was a even hourly Mantel Clock. This clock was on a dump that we got today. But it's currently not working right now. As you can tell, that design looks like a Howell Warrington clock. You get the idea here. I thought when we got it, it was a Howell Warrington clock, but it's an even hourly one, like I said. Here's Chime soundbar. Came with that also. Has a homely 340/-020 movement. We found it didn't come with the key or when we got it, but we used a homely key from my Howell 612-437 Mantel clock was right there to wind it up. So I'm going to show you the chime for this one. Nice chimes for this clock, but once we get oiled, we'll probably make this clock working again. That concludes the video, everyone. And before we go, we fix this wall clock. We thought for a second that the deadbeat escapement was bent, but it's not. So yeah, we finally fixed this thing. And thanks for watching, everyone.